Subscribe, like and share Ungli TV PK. Click bell icon also for more interesting videos.
Rabia Bhatt is a Pakistani supermodel, actress and TEDx speaker. Rabia Bhatt is a 28 years old Pakistani fashion model and an actress emerging from Lahore. She started her career in 2008 and has been nominated many times for Best Female Model. Her main focus was in modeling, but later it changed into acting. Her debut movie was Hijrat. Her Instagram followers count is 276k. She has worked with all the leading brands of Pakistan, mostly the face of many renowned brands such as Khadi, Elan and Sapphire. She has won 2 Lux Style Awards and a BCW Awards for her work in Pakistan's fashion industry. If you like this video, kindly like, subscribe and share Ungli TV PK.